I'm Sanjana. I'm the co-founder and executive director of EarthHacks. EarthHacks is an organization that focuses on environmental hackathons and also focuses on bringing environmental justice into the tech space. So we started out working mostly with students, and since COVID, we work with organizations as well. And we've been fortunate to work with over 2,000 participants from every inhabited continent in the world, which is pretty cool. The most important thing is to do a thorough landscape analysis, actually, when you get started, and to be open to collaboration, because it's really, really great that there are an increasing number of conservation-focused projects, environmental-focused projects, tech projects, and sometimes that means that someone may have had a super similar idea to yours, and they may already be working on it. So conservation and climate issues are hugely, hugely time sensitive, right? And so we don't have time for either unnecessary rediscovery or repeated work. And we also don't have time for egos to get in the way in terms of, who came first in creating an idea. So collaboration is really key. Another thing is to really focus on making sure that your tech project isn't perpetuating systems that led to the biodiversity and climate crises in the first place, because then is it really a solution? So consider, how is your project going to remain sustainable in every sense of the word? How will you integrate justice into your project? How will you make sure it's restorative instead of exploitative? So these considerations might not seem relevant to tech at first, but maybe that's been one of the problems holding us back. Because I really like to challenge the term non-technical, because while sometimes it does mean, someone who's more interested in qualitative projects than quantitative research, it often accidentally just creates an unnecessary silo. So you don't have to have a degree in chemical engineering or be a professional software engineer to work on projects. You really just have to be willing to learn. So when developing a specific solution to a specific problem, don't think about what field it falls into or whether or not you have the expertise. Think about what you need for it to do, for it to work. Document as much as you can, your ideas, what you've tried so far, what you haven't tried, what you know, what you don't know. Work on the aspects of the project that you can yourself, and then seek collaborators or seek support for the aspects that you have less experience in. Be honest, it could mean anything, because in the 21st century, every problem is an environmental problem, right? Whether it's labor rights, food security, gender equality, or mangrove conservation, those are all environmental issues. So it could mean coming up with a community engagement strategy to get people to vote for folks who understand science in local elections, not even necessarily national elections. It could mean building a robot that helps upcycle t-shirts. It could mean an app to better manage urban farms. It could be something that you or I have never even thought of. The common thread between, all of those random examples, and so I guess a very loose definition of what it means to prototype an environmental solution, is to create something that was not there before, that benefits people and planet in some way.